Hi, today we're going to be creating a quiz on mobilestudy.org. This is a website that allows you to create a quiz and download it to your mobile phone. These quizzes can be used to revise subjects you may be studying, or you may just want to create a fun quiz and share it with your friends. The first thing you need to do is select the Create Quiz menu option from the left-hand menu, then you represent it with this screen. We can then type in the title of our quiz and a brief introduction. And then we need to select the language we want our menu system to be in. This will typically be the same language that you do the quiz in. Today we're also going to be using the Quick Quiz Wizard, which is a very easy way to allow you to just freely type in a quiz without having to enter it one question at a time. So we'll just select that and press Next. Now you're taken to the quiz entry screen, which lists the 4 formatting rules you have to follow when entering your quiz. The first is that each question must end in a question mark. So we'll just type in our first question, which pertains to what's the largest city in Australia, and end it with a question mark. Following this, we're going to put in our possible answers. And we're going to mark the correct answer with an asterisk. Following this, we're going to put an explanation, just a brief bit of information about the correct answer. You have to follow your explanation with an exclamation mark. Now that that's done, we have our first question, and we can enter more questions using the same formatting rules. We'll enter one in about Japan. Tokyo is the correct answer, and we have a brief explanation. Then you select Next, and you can review your quiz questions. Following this, you're taken to a publishing screen, which allows you to select whether you want your quiz to be made publicly available. So we select that, and we're given the URL where we can find our quiz. You'll also be able to access your quiz through the My Quizzes menu option on the left-hand side. Now it's time to download it to a mobile phone and see what it does. Upon starting the mobile phone application, you'll be greeted with the introduction screen with the title and introduction of your app. Following this, the questions will be presented to you in order, and you just go down and select the answer you think is correct. It'll then tell you whether you got it correct or not and give you the explanation of what the correct answer was. At the end of the quiz, you can then sit any questions you got wrong again by selecting the Revise option. You can continue revising until you've sat all the questions and got them correct. Now as we come towards the end of our quiz, we'll get told how many we've actually got incorrect. So thus far we've got 1 incorrect. We'll answer the second last question, and we got that one correct. And we'll answer the last question. So we've got 2 incorrect, and you can see this in the results. We can then select Revise from the Revise menu. It's just a matter of going over, selecting the soft key under Menu, bringing it up, and scrolling down, and pressing the soft key in between the buttons. Now you have 2 questions to answer, the 2 questions you got wrong. So we'll go down and we'll select which answer we think is correct, and we get it right. And we'll try and answer the last question again. And we get it wrong again. So we have another chance to revise the questions that will remain incorrect. So we start the quiz again, and we've got 1 question. And we go down and select the right answer, and now we're finished. And it is just that simple to create a quiz using the Quick Quiz Wizard. You just enter in the questions, publish it, and then download it to your mobile phone.